Good morning, children. Welcome back to your science video. Today we will read about bones and muscles. Children, we always used to say to eat and drink healthy food. Why? In order to keep our bones and muscles strong and healthy. But what are bones and muscles? Children, our stomach helps to digest food. Our heart helps to pump blood to different body parts. And lungs helps to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. What are these lungs, heart, stomach? These are called the organs. Yes, our body consists of many organs and each organ has a function, has a particular job to do. Isn't it? Not a single organ is useless. Every organ has a particular function to do, whether it is your stomach, your lungs, your nose, your ear, every organ, your brain, everything has a function to do. But all these organs do not work alone. They divide their work with other organs. They work together with other organs. For example, when you eat the food, your food is cannot be digested only by the stomach alone. Other organs such as your teeth, your salivary glands, your food pipes, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, all other work together in the digestion of your food, what you eat, and also in removing the waste product from your body. So, all these are responsible for your food digestion. Your teeth helps in cutting the food, then your food is getting inside from the food pipe, then in that it has been grinded and it is then and some part it gets digested and the rest part it comes out as your waste product. So is in this entire function is been done by different organs. So all the organs they work together. They do not work alone. These group of organs that work together is known as an organ system. The organs that work together is known as an organ system. For example, your reproductive system which helps in reproduction and it contains different organs which is different in both males and females. Then your respiratory system, it contains nose and lungs as the main organs. And what is the function? You know that it helps in breathing, taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Then your nervous system, which contains brain, spinal cord, nerves, and these are the main organs. And what is the function of brain? Everyone knows that. Yes, to learn, to remember things, to receive information, to give information, to make a control in your body part, to have a control in yourself, to order things to do. Everything depends on your brain and which comes under nervous system. There are so many system, nervous system, skeletal system, muscular system, which we will learning in this chapter, that is your skeletal and muscular system. Then your circulatory system, digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system. So many systems are having different organs and they perform different functions. Today we will learn about the skeletal system. The skeletal system contains the organs called bones. What are bones? Bones are very hard and they are of different shapes and sizes. Isn't it? Look at your legs and arms. The size differs? Yes. So the bones in your legs and arms are long. But in case of your chest, the chest bones are thin and rounded. But in case of your head, the bones in the head are flat and rounded. But the bones in your little finger are short. So different body parts contains different shapes and size of the bones. Children, all the bones in our body has been arranged in a proper structure in a framework. Obviously, otherwise it will be getting mixed. If there will be no proper arrangement, then there will be no proper formation of the body. isn't it? So all the bones in our body, they have been arranged in a proper structure which gives a framework, which forms a framework which is called the skeleton. Without this hard skeleton containing hard bones, our body would collapse because it will only contain a soft skin. Can a soft skin stand? No, it needs a support. It needs a hard thing to support. What is that hard thing? Your skeleton, your bones. So these bones helps to protect the brain, heart, lungs and other soft organs inside your body. If there will be no bones, no skeleton, then our brain, heart and lungs can get damaged easily because those are the soft organs. So the skeleton helps in protecting our soft organs. The skeleton of an adult is made up of 206 bones. But when you were a cute little baby at birth, you have more bones, more than 206 bones. But this join together as you grow into an adult. It means the two bones get joined to one. So they join together when you become an adult. As you will grow bigger and bigger, then the new cells will be added to your bones and they will also become stronger, longer and larger. Children, as I told you now, that bones are very hard and tough on outside, but they are also soft and spongy inside. The inside of a bone contains a a gel like substance which is called the bone marrow. Once again, I am telling you what is the bone marrow. Bone marrow is a soft jelly like substance which is present inside the bone, and it is not present in all the bones, rather it is present in some of your bones, that is your hip bone, thigh bone, ribs, shoulder bone, your skull, vertebrae. So it is present in all those places and it contains the blood cells. In this place, the blood cells are getting produced in the bone marrow. And these blood cells are very important in fighting the disease, in fighting any infection, if you are undergoing any treatment. So these blood cells will be helpful to you. Bones have the ability to repair themselves if they are broken, if they are injured. Because of the blood cells, these bones can fight and new bones formation will start. So, children, I will end up to this. In the next class, we will continue further. If you have any doubt, you can again watch my video and read your book thoroughly. Be very clear. Just remember one thing. Whatever it is there in the book, we should stick to that. Nothing extra we should go because we will be confused. Extra things we will be learning in higher classes. So, it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next class. Thank you all.